Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you reach your limit. You can restyle more photos tomorrow on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, you reach your limit, you can restyle more photos tomorrow on your Instagram, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. First of all, you need to long press on your Instagram app. In top you can see I button, tap on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on that, then tap on clear cache. Then go back, open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, once you have to restart your phone. After restarting, check, hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you have reached your limit. You need to wait at least 24 hours to fix this issue. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix, you reach your limit, you can restyle more photos tomorrow on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.